Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be doing a comparison between my Longchamp cosmetics pouch with handle and my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy, so you can see which one's more worth your money and which one you should buy. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we have a comparison. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. All right, so yes, I did want to compare the Longchamp. This is like the small cosmetics pouch with handle to the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. They are pretty comparable when it comes to the size. So I wanted to go over like pricing and everything with you guys because I have been using both of these pretty regularly. Obviously, I've been using the Nano Speedy more than this one, but this one I have also been using and I have been enjoying it. So let's talk about the Longchamp little cosmetics pouch first. If you have not seen what she looks like, this is what she looks like up close. This is in the color paper, which was very hard to get my hands on, but I'm very happy that I do have it now. And it has a beautiful little gold button closure that you flip open to open it, and then on the back there's nothing on the back, and obviously no feet on the bottom. It does have this little top handle right here that you can see, and then when I do open this up, it does also have a zip closure as well with this beautiful gold Longchamp logo pull tab. I did do a full unboxing of this bag when I received it, so if you have not seen the unboxing, then I will leave that down below so you can go watch that one, because I do go over what fits in this bag as well. So opening it up here, I have a crossbody strap in here. I will get into the crossbody situation here in a moment, and then I currently just have my mini pochette accessoire in here just for keeps sake, I guess, just to keep it in there. And then here is what the actual inside of this little pouch looks like. So this is not considered to be an actual handbag. This is meant to be a cosmetics pouch with handle, but I have seen a lot of people online DIYing this little cosmetics pouch into a crossbody bag, which is exactly what I did. So I want to show you that. I did actually film the process of DIYing it, so I did it in a vlog. I didn't do it in like a dedicated video, but I'll link the vlog in the description so you can watch the DIY portion. It's very cool. So basically, the bag does not come with these two little grommets on the side. The leather is just fully one piece of leather on either side. It does not have these holes. It does not come with these gold little grommets. I did this in the DIY. I bought this little grommet set from Amazon, and I just kind of punched a hole into the leather pieces right here and put the gold little grommets on either side. You do have options to turn this bag into a crossbody bag without permanently altering the bag. They do have another way that you can do this by attaching, I guess, loops to either side of the handle, and it would be a crossbody bag that way. I personally just like the look of this better. I actually think it looks great. Like, it looks like it should be there in my opinion. It looks like an actual crossbody bag. And then I do have a strap inside that I did get from Amazon. You could probably get a better match. Like, I think on AliExpress they actually do sell the exact color crossbody strap for this bag. I didn't want to have to go through all that because it would have taken like over a month to arrive. So I got this one from Amazon, and it's not a exact match, but I feel like it matches well enough that, you know, if I did wear it out, it's not gonna be like a huge crazy difference. But now I can attach the crossbody strap to the bag, and it looks like this. It looks so cute, and I got an adjustable strap. Look at that. So cute. And this bag does retail for $85. I believe with taxes it was around 90 bucks. So very inexpensive for a cute little cosmetics pouch DIY'd into a crossbody bag. So if you are looking for a cheaper alternative, this would be a fantastic choice. And also this Longchamp bag is very popular. I'm not sure if it still is. I think it probably still is super popular. I've heard from multiple different people that this is gonna be like the bag of the summer. Like, it's so trendy at the moment, and it's a pretty inexpensive trend if you ask me. They have these little cosmetics pouches in so many colors, and I really wanted this paper color, and it took so long to find it. It was out of stock for like a month and a half or so, and then I finally found it in stock and I bought it immediately. But they have it in like a bunch of colors. They have it in other neutrals like black, but they have it in also like super fun colors too, like a pink, a blue, a red. Very fun. So if you wanted like a cute little summer bag, this would be a really good option as well. And then when I'm done, I can just take the little crossbody strap off. Let me go over the dimensions of this little bag real quick. And also, this is part of the Les Pliages collection. I didn't say that. I meant to say that, but I didn't. So it's part of the Les Pliages collection. The top handle here is pretty small. It only has about a 2.5 inch drop, 6.75 inches wide. It is 4.25 inches tall, and it is 2.25 inches in depth. Those are the dimensions of the bag. When it comes to the difference in material, this is kind of like a nylon material, and then it does have some pieces of leather kind of like peppered throughout, but it is mostly like a nylon material. And then I might as well just go ahead and show you what does fit inside here now, so we can, so we can see. I do have an iPhone 14 Pro Max that does fit. However, I have found that this bag fits a lot more if you don't fit your phone. Like, if you don't put your phone in here, and if you're able to put your phone in your pocket or something like that, it fits a lot more. But an iPhone 14 Pro Max does fit inside no problem. But for me, I usually always carry my phone in my pocket. I usually always wear pants with pockets, so I'm not gonna put my phone in there for now. I'm just gonna put in all of my essentials that I would normally carry with me. So I have my card holder right here, and then she goes in no problem, of course. And then I do have hand sanitizer. She can go in. Chanel hand cream. I remember this being kind of tricky to get in this bag with it being so bulky, and then I do have some gum that I like to carry with me just in case, so that can just go in front of my hand sanitizer. Next, I do have this little container. I use this for my headache medication, just like some ibuprofen in case I get a headache, or my husband gets a headache while we're gone, and I can just kind of put that. See, this is where it gets a little difficult because, again, the Chanel hand cream is really just cumbersome and it's just hard to maneuver around. And then the last thing I carry with me on a day-to-day basis is my AirPods. I would honestly probably say if you can get away without carrying this, I probably wouldn't carry this because this just takes up a lot of room and it's really just annoying to deal with. So without that being in there, I can fit my AirPods in with literally no issue, and they can just go off to the side right there. And then of course my keys, my 2 lip products. I have a travel fragrance and a pin. And then that's everything in here. And then if you put on the crossbody strap, it would be just a vibe. It'd be so cute. Yeah, there's the Longchamp Les Pliages cosmetics pouch with handle that I DIY'd into a crossbody bag. Next, let's talk about the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. As I said before, they are comparable in size. However, again, the Nano Speedy is a little bit taller. It can just fit, it's more of like a duffel bag shape, so it can fit slightly bigger items, but this is wider. This fits my phone with ease, no problems whatsoever, but I really have to squeeze my phone into this bag for it to fit. So again, this one's a little taller, but this one's wider. So it just depends on if you have wider things. I have a hard time fitting sunglasses into the Nano Speedy as well. If you are needing like a bag that's wider, and if you have like sunglasses, your phone, stuff like that to fit inside, then I would totally go with this one. So we're gonna talk about this one now. I'm sure most of you have, of course, seen this bag. I feel like I talk about it nonstop. So probably some of you are getting pretty annoyed with me. Let me just take off my little charm just so you can see it without the charm. Here is what she looks like. This is the 2022 version of the Nano Speedy, because this one, as you probably have noticed, has a crossbody strap that is detachable. So with the original Nano Speedy, the crossbody strap was not detachable, and a lot of people ended up just cutting off their strap. No feet on the bottom, and it is in the Louis Vuitton monogram canvas. And let me go over the dimensions of this bag. This bag is pretty small, 6.3 inches in width. It is 3.9 inches in height, and then it is 3 inches in depth. This bag does retail for a pretty penny. It is $1,760, and then with taxes, I want to say right under $200, so like $1,900 and something like that. So definitely more expensive than our Longchamp girly here, but this one does come with a crossbody strap. As you can see, it does have these little D-rings right here that you can hook it onto. Here is the crossbody strap, and as you can see, it is adjustable as well. The old crossbody strap was not even adjustable. It was just insane. And then it does have the Louis Vuitton logo on the little clasps. And when you attach it to the bag, it looks like this. And it's very, very cute. I absolutely love wearing this bag crossbody, and you guys know I don't really wear bags crossbody very often, but I love wearing this one crossbody. It's so cute, but I'm just so glad that it comes with a removable crossbody strap. And with this bag that I feel like this one doesn't have, like this one is very trendy. It's making its rounds at the moment, but this one I feel like is going to be in for a longer period of time. So maybe that kind of depends on which one you prefer. Like if you want to have something really fun for right now and don't want to spend a lot of money on it, then I would totally recommend this one. But if you are looking for something that's pretty classic, the Louis Vuitton monogram, I know they're trying to phase out monogram, but I don't think they're going to get rid of it completely. But if you are wanting something that is a more of a classic style, this is the Speedy, and the Speedy is a very, very classic style from Louis Vuitton. So if you are wanting something that would probably stand the test of time better and would be trendy for longer, then I would go with the Nano Speedy, because it is expensive. It's almost $2,000, so that is really fucking expensive. But compared to Louis Vuitton's other pieces, I feel like it's not horribly priced. I don't know. If you are wanting to get the Nano Speedy but not wanting to spend that much money for it, then you can definitely look on the pre-loved market and look at the old Nano Speedies as well. But just remember, those do not come with a detachable strap, and it's not adjustable. And a lot of people ended up cutting off their straps as well. So just know that if you were to go pre-loved, then either you're gonna have to deal with a strap that you can't remove and can't adjust, or someone is selling the bag but they already cut off the strap, so you're basically losing a way to wear it. So it's kind of just, you have to just weigh it out and see which one is more worth it to you. I think this one is more timeless. I think that the Nano Speedy is definitely going to be around for much longer. It's going to stand the test of time a little better than this. Oh, also, let me go over what fits in this bag as well. And I did do a full-on unboxing of this bag also, so I will be linking that in the description if you want to watch that unboxing as well. Showing you what fits in this bag. Basically, it fits everything that is in this bag, but it also fits my Chanel hand cream. Card holder in the front here, and then I do my hand sanitizer, and then I fit the Chanel hand cream right in front of the hand sanitizer because it does fit. Again, this bag is like deeper. And then I have my gum that can just go on the other side. My headache medication I normally put in like in front of the gum. And then my AirPods can go in between my Chanel hand cream and my headache medication, if you can see that right there. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, so it fits a ton on the bottom, and then I can still fit, of course, my pen, my travel fragrance, my lip balm, and then my other lip balm. And then of course my keys just kind of go right on top like that. And then I normally just like throw an air tag in here too, just in case. And there we have it. She looks so cute when she's full with stuff as well. So you guys, that has been my comparison between the Longchamp Le Pliage cosmetics pouch with handle that again I DIY'd into a little crossbody bag, and my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Let me know which one you would actually buy yourself. If either of them, let me know which one is your favorite. If you don't like either one, just tell me something down below in the comments because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!